So welcome to Virtual Done Well. This week we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you around the channel because there's dozens of videos which you're going to find really helpful, and some people have been asking me questions which kind of indicates they're not sure how to find the information on the channel. So I'm going to show you some of the best stuff on the channel, and that's coming up right now. So there's actually two things I want to show you this week. I'm going to show you around the channel in a moment and how to find topics of interest, and I'll point out some of the most popular videos, but also I just want to talk about subscribing to the channel. Now, if you're not subscribed to the channel, let me just explain why it's worth doing. I think a lot of people get a little bit concerned about what does it actually mean when I hit that subscribe button. So let me tell you what it doesn't mean. It doesn't mean that I get your email address and all your information. It doesn't mean that I earn income from the channel. There's nothing sort of to do with privacy at all. And anytime you like, you can unsubscribe by just hitting that button. But why is it worth doing, I guess? Why would you want to subscribe? Well, let me just show you on the screen here. I reckon there's a big benefit in subscribing because I'm not logged into Virtual Done Well here at the moment. I'm actually logged in using another one of my YouTube channels, and I'll show you why in a second. But one of the reasons to subscribe is that under your subscriptions here on the left of the screen, you can find the channel again really easy. So if I watch loads of YouTube videos, and when I find some videos that I really like, I make sure I subscribe because I want to come back and see some more videos from that channel. And this is the easiest way to do it. So just by hitting subscribe, it will appear in your subscription list on the left. The other thing to note, and you'll notice I've got some subscriptions here. Peter McKinnon's great on producing videos and stuff. Casey Neistat, if you haven't watched his, make sure you do. Kim Iverson's one that I've just recently found. Kim does a great sort of independent news channel. But I just want to draw your attention to this subscription list for another reason, and that you see these little blue dots? That means there's a video on the channel that I haven't seen yet. So really handy. Not only can you find the channel again really easily, but you can see straight away if there's a new video posted. So that's a really good reason to subscribe. The other reason is we've just hit 4,000 subscribers on this channel, which is really nice. And every time we hit a milestone, like 5,000, 10,000 or whatever, we do a charity giveaway. So I'll shoot that video very soon and show you what we've been able to do as an appreciation of your support. The other thing about subscribing to YouTube channels, and it's kind of a vanity thing, but it shows the channel owner that there's actually some interest in the channel. And I use it also to see, which videos caused people to subscribe more than other videos. So it helps me work out which topics are more of interest to you. So if you haven't subscribed, here's all you've got to do. And if you're logged in to Gmail, this is automatic. Just hit subscribe, boom, you're there, and it will appear on the list on the left. If you're not logged into your Gmail, it will just pop up and ask you to put in your Gmail account, which I don't get access to. Don't worry about that. The other thing is here, you'll notice there's a little bell. If you hit that bell, you will actually get an email notification every time there's a new video on the channel. So, you might want to do that. Don't worry, don't get spammed or anything like that. Just sends you an email to your Gmail account saying there's another video. So that's subscribing. Now let me just show you around the channel. So if you haven't been here before, Virtual Done Well channel is all about small business ownership. We have marketing topics. Virtual Done Well as a business is actually a virtual assistant business. So we talk about virtual assistants a bit, but you'll find lots and lots of useful stuff. So let me show you how to find the useful stuff. Number one way is to look for the playlists, and these are listed down here. So I'm on the Home tab. I'll go onto the Home tab, and this is the weekly videos. So every time I post a video, it will appear in this list along the top, and you can sort of click along and see which ones are there. And then down below this, you'll see there are other playlists. So if my video this week is about marketing, it will also get tagged in this playlist. If it's about sales tips, it will also get tagged in this playlist. So this is a really good way to find stuff. So if you want some small business marketing tips, if you just click on this playlist, click on the text, there you go. We've got all the marketing related videos. So great way to find stuff. We've got some things here on how to increase your web traffic, what's working with online marketing, LinkedIn marketing tips, that's a really handy one, LinkedIn company pages. So some of these are interviews with other people. Let's go back to the Home tab and then come down. This is just sales tips for business owners. So mistakes that people make in sales, how to boost your sales, knowing your clients, #1 sales tips. So there you can find sales related stuff. Then we get into finding and hiring, managing virtual assistants. So, that's one of the big secrets, I reckon, for small business owners is getting virtual assistants on board. Loads of different topics here about how to find them, how to hire them, how to manage them, everything you could want there. And then what else have we got? Oh, there's a whole video series here. I think this is 8 videos. So finding and hiring a virtual assistant. I shot these a few years ago, but they're still very relevant. And I just go through step by step. What is outsourcing, what is a virtual assistant, how to select one, etc., etc. We've got some interviews here on outsourcing. We've got Inside Virtual Done Well, which is an outsourcing business. That's sort of things you can see happening. And then I've got my other channels are listed down the bottom there. So that's one way to find topics. And some of the most popular topics on this channel are the marketing related ones. So just click on the small business marketing and you'll find those. The other way to find things is this little search, what do you call it? A magnifying glass, yeah. So if I want to find topics on marketing, I can just type that. This is how I find stuff on other people's channels. I just type in marketing and then we've got all the marketing related videos. Anything with marketing in the title is going to appear here. Loads of them. Now I said I'd point out some of the really popular ones. A lot of people have found very useful the videos on how to make videos. So these should be in under the marketing ones. Let me just have a look. Okay, video marketing, how to create videos. There's one down here as well about video equipment, key tips for producing videos, making videos. If you go and have a look at those, I've got videos there on all the sort of equipment and how to put it together. So you've got no excuse not to make marketing videos. So there we go. Let me just come back to the Home tab. That's a little bit of a look around the channel, how to find things. Anytime you're watching these videos, do comment down below them if you want videos produced on particular topics of interest to small business owners. I'm more than happy to do that. It's bit of a struggle sometimes to keep dreaming up new topics, so I love to get suggestions. And if you're not subscribed, do hit the subscribe button. The other thing is when you're actually watching a video, let's have a look at this one, 6 common virtual assistant myths. If you're watching a video and you actually like it, do click the thumbs up, because again, that helps me understand which videos people have found more interesting and liked more. And guess what? I'll make more videos on those topics. So there we go. I'll look around the channel, use the playlists, use the little magnifying glass search. And if you're not subscribed, why not subscribe? Got nothing to lose, and you'll find the channel again really easily, and you'll know when there's new videos posted. So thanks for watching. And if you've got any questions on the channel at all, do post those down below and I'll make sure I answer those personally. Bye for now.